Hello, welcome. Excuse me. This is a video on how to compare graphs that are linear, exponential, or quadratic. And when I say graphs, they could be tables, they could be graphs, they could be the equations, but we're going to focus on graphs and tables here. And I'm going to do two of these problems together. So if you're here to see this second video, I'll give you the timestamp, and you can just fast forward to that. But I'm going to start over here at number 1. So each of these graphs has a distinctive kind of graph and how they look. If it goes flat on one side like this, but then goes up in the other direction, these graphs are exponential. Sorry, exponential. And I'm going to just look real quick. 3, these don't go up and then flat. These go curvy on both sides, and they're either both down or they're both up. And these are quadratics. And then you have straight lines. So if you just write the word line and then put AR on the end, then these are linear. But there's another way that you can kind of figure these out. Like if you look at this value here and this value, and then it goes up to this value, these are 2 apart, and then these are 4 apart. Here, these are just 1 apart. And so it's growing at a different kind of rate each time. You can probably guess that the distance between here and the next one would probably be 8. So here, let's look, we're at 210. So on this problem, we want to compare and see, like, from 5 to 6, that's increasing by 1 from 5 to 6. And then from 6 to 7, that's plus 1. From 7 to 8, that's plus 1. And from 8 to 9, that's plus 1. So the increase on each of these values from one point to the next is 1 in x. But from -1 to 15, I'm not sure what that is, but you can always take, like here, I could have taken 6 minus 5, and that would give me 1. That's positive. You can always do that. You can take any value and subtract the 1 from before. So if I say 15 minus -1, what does that give me? And if you're not really good with those numbers, remember, you can use your calculator. So I take 15 minus -1, and that gives me 16. Sure. And that makes sense. If you're one floor, but you're in the basement and you have to go up to floor 15, you're going to go up 16 floors. And if we did that same thing again, 31 minus 15, 31 minus 15, yeah, sure enough, that's 16 again. So this increases by 16. If I take 31 plus 16, is that going to give me 47? Sure. 31 plus 16 would give me the 47. And 47 plus 16, is that going to give me the 63? 47 plus 16? Yeah, that would give me 63. So that is the pattern. And so when you have a constant sum or difference in y for a constant sum or difference in x, then we can say its rise and its run. Its rise is 16 over its run 1. So its slope is 16. That means this is a linear equation. And there you have it. All right, we'll see you in the next video.